Welcome to
Alright, go.
SmartBlox. Today I'm gonna do a Tower of Hell thing with my friend what's your name?
Orange Orangutan.
Okay, so yeah, he'll be in the link he'll be in the description below. And what we're gonna be doing is a Tower of Hell, I guess race up to the top, and we're both really bad at it.
Yeah, basically.
And I
Oh,
can't
God.
even get past the first part, so the video might be a little bit boring. Oh my gosh, how am I so bad? Whoa, there's some ghosts in here. Oh,
No,
wait, no,
this is-
that's just an accessory. Whoa!
Dude, this is hard. I normally don't do this bad. I mean, I've gone past.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh, I'm at, oh my gosh.
Yes, past the first level.
We can't even pass the first level. Oh my gosh.
I did.
We're not good at this. So I don't normally do gaming videos, but I thought we'd switch it up a bit.
Oh no! Okay, I was at the green and I fell. That's pretty sad.
Yeah.
I was playing this knockoff version of this game before, and it was like really
Oh yeah,
bad.
there's like treacherous tower.
Yeah, that's what it was called. There's like checkpoints and stuff, and like you need like 3 people to reset the tower, which is pretty stupid. And then like resets, like each stage can reset or whatever.
I love that you're just a hot dog.
Yeah, I just bought it today.
You
It
look
costed like
delicious.
130 Robux. I was thinking of getting a banana, but then I thought the hot dog would be cooler. Oh gosh. What do you think would have been better, the hot dog or the banana?
The banana.
I was also.
Although you might have been eaten.
I mean,
Wait.
I will be eaten anyway. Today I was playing Bloxburg, and then there was this kid who held a hot dog in front of my face and then ate it. And I said, "How dare
How
you?
dare they?
Can you get banned from Bloxburg?"
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was so close.
Wow, wait, didn't it say you had like hacked money or something?
Yeah, they banned me for no reason, which was kind of sad.
Yeah, I saw that on your other channel, the Codebreaker Plays.
Yeah,
right? Isn't that
check
the-
it out, guys. I don't post much there. This is
I know, last time
more
I uploaded was
gaming
like 5 months
channel
ago.
now. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the jump. Ah! Oh my gosh, I made it!
Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna so fail.
We only have 4 minutes left of this one.
Oh my gosh, I failed. No!
Oh my
Guys,
gosh.
because we're so bad, we might need to get a new level for this.
Not gonna lie. Or just a different server.
Yeah.
There's so many people. There should be a
Alright, I
way
made
to
it up
turn off.
again. Oh,
Nice. That one's kind of easy. I just kind of
why
jump at
is
the-
all of my... I literally have 2 fans in here, in my server.
You do?
Yeah.
Someone saying hot dog. There were like 8 people saying hot dog in the game right now.
Yeah, you're popular. Hot dog is popular. Oh no.
Yeah. I have a bacon buddy on my shoulder.
Alright, time
Oh, no.
is going by 2 times. So for you, 1 second equal.
It's actually times 2. Uh-oh, someone made it to the top.
And they're boasting now. Because they're jumping.
You know what we should do? We should do a Arsenal 1v1.
Yeah. Hey, if you want to 1v1 me for a gaming video, I guess you should comment down below.
Next episode. Just kidding.
Roblox does weird gaming videos.
I was streaming Arsenal today for a bit, and then I went to play Skyblock.
Oh, you play that too?
I wouldn't say play it, I'd say sometime. I mean, I kind of started like a month ago, and then I just kind of was like,
I got
this game-
scammed. Did you see my how to get scammed in Skyblox?
Oh, what I do in Bloxburg is I go ABC to get scammed. I'm like, okay. And then someone said ABC. I'm like, if you give me $1,000, I will add 2 zeros. And then when they gave me $1,000, I just left the game.
Well, they asked for it, I guess.
I know. It's all the 2-year-olds who just got the game.
Yeah. Maybe they don't know what game means. Guys, we promise we're not bullies.
I promise. We're just
Well, at least not me. He might be. I don't know him.
we're just mediocre trollers. Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. We're doing another race because the first race was really bad.
Well, this is easy.
I think I won because I got the farthest.
Are you sure about that? Because I got the money coins from the thing. Did you?
No. How far? What color did you get to?
I got to the 3rd stage.
Oh man, no wait. I got to the I went to 1.
What? I didn't even touch
actually
it.
got to the 3rd stage too, I think. Or maybe 2nd, I don't know. I keep dying for some reason because I'm so bad at this game.
You think you're bad?
The new contest of being bad at this game.
Yeah, we should make another video.
How to be bad at Tower of Hell.
Who's worse?
Yeah, of course. You can see these other people easily doing this, and I'm like, help me. Help me. Can't do this.
Help me. Help me.
So, subscribe to this dude that's with me because, he's cool. He's at 12 subscribers. Get him up to, 20.
8,000.
Get him up to 20 subscribers. If we can do that, I'll do a Robux giveaway, okay?
20? Epic.
Okay, so, actually, no, yeah. I'll do,
800.
like, a small 5 Robux giveaway for that. I don't know.
If you get me to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. Just kidding. I'm doing a face reveal at 100,000 subscribers.
Wait, you
if
have
I
a
get
face?
What?
You have a
Hey.
face? I didn't know that.
I didn't know you had one either.
I didn't know you had a face.
I know when YouTubers who don't do face cams, when they do a face reveal, it just kind of like changes the whole perspective of the video because it's like when they do face cams, it's like so much different than without a face cam. Oh, yeah. I made it.
Yeah, and the person looks so different than what they imagined. You know what I mean? A lot of people who do face reveal, I'm like, I didn't expect it to be like that.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'll do a face reveal at 1 million.
1 million? That sounds like a lot. Most YouTubers do it at 100,000.
I'm never gonna get to it. Oh, how did I die? Oh my god.
I think I watched every single one of your videos.
Oh, that's nice. Did you watch them 1,000 times?
I think so.
Yeah,
I don't know, I like
watch
your
all my
videos.
videos
Your videos are
1,000
good.
times. And you get those watch hours.
Good content.
I only have 400 watch hours, which is kind of sad.
I bet half of those are me. Just kidding.
Maybe. Maybe it is you.
Dude, today on my stream, there was like no one. And the max amount of people I had was like 5.
Oh.
And then they were all like spamming in the chat, so I had to like mute them or something. And then they just left. I was also doing a live Q&A today, which was pretty stupid if you ask me, because it was basically one person just asking me a bunch of questions, and then I played Roblox with my sister, and it was kind of weird.
You should get the night bot, I think.
I don't know what that is.
It's like this moderation for YouTube live streams. I don't know.
But, wait, do you use, when you stream, hold on, let me see. Do you use Streamlabs OBS?
No, I haven't downloaded. Oh.
I find that very easy, because you just link it to YouTube. Okay, I keep dying.
Well, yeah. So do I. Why? I don't know why Tower of Hell is really addicting.
I know, I play for like hours. My friend, oh my gosh, is insane. Like, I think they play this game like every day for like 2 hours.
So
The
they must
one
be really good.
I play Roblox, typically I play Roblox for like 8 hours a day, not gonna lie.
I play for like 6 hours.
I mean, I have like nothing better to do, so it's either I play
usually just
Roblox.
watch YouTube.
Yeah, it's either I stream, play Roblox, or play Minecraft, or play Xbox or my Wii. It might sound weird playing on a Wii, but it's actually
Wait, you have a Wii too?
yeah.
That's so cool. I do too.
Oh my gosh, dude, I'm going so far. Oh,
Yeah, do you see how high I am?
I was up there too. I was at the part where like the conveyors or whatever.
No. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna be mean to myself and replay that clip of me just falling.
No. Oh my.
I know. I'm gonna like watch this video after and be like, oh my gosh, I look like such a bot wearing that hot dog suit.
Yeah. Hey, I'm trying to play like I'm a pro, like in the pro.
Yeah, like I do the shift block thing because I find it very easy. Dude, look how far I'm going.
Oh my god! Oh,
I jinxed myself. Have you ever played Phantom Forces?
No, I think it's kind of too violent.
Yeah, I suppose.
No! The conveyors
Dude,
are so hard.
I'm literally, I think I'm the worst player at this game ever. Like, there's no doubt about it. If there was an award ceremony for worst Roblox player for Tower of Heck.
Yeah. I don't think it would be you. I've seen much worse.
I'm pretty bad. I've never played this on my channel because I would just rage and scream. I'm kidding. The game that I think I played the most is either Bloxburg or
Hey, wait, should I make a how to record a Roblox video?
Sure.
Or how to edit a Roblox video?
What do you use to record?
A lot of people ask me that. That's why I added it to my description. Okay, guys, so I'm going to tell you guys so you guys stop bugging me and DMing me and asking me.
Yeah, I asked once in your comments, but I forgot. I'm just asking again.
And I use OBS to record and Shotcut to edit. I know those are like basic dumb free stuff, but it works. My videos are actually decent.
Mine? Oh my gosh, the editing on mine are horrible.
Wait, you edit your videos?
Wow, guys. When was the last time you actually watched one of my videos?
Huh?
Do you watch the Roblox roleplay one? Or the Bloxburg one? That one had editing in it, sort of.
It did? I didn't see that one.
I'm literally gonna leave. I watch every single one of your videos, comment on every single one of them, like them. I'm subscribed, and you don't even watch one video.
I watched this, guys, so we're gonna finish this up here, guys. So I think the first one to actually go the highest before 5 minutes.
Was me.
Then
Look where I'm at right now.
dang it.
Dude, I look pretty hot. Just kidding. That was pretty weird. Okay,
Look, look, I'm pretty high too.
Not as high as me.
No! I should have just stayed up there. Come on.
What I don't get is that I don't get how YouTubers can record, like, stream, like Ninja or someone like that. I don't know. I don't get how they can stream for, like, 6, or, like, I'm pretty sure he streams for, like, 12 hours every day. I mean, I could get used to that, but that's just a long time.
He's addicted.
You think? I mean, I don't really like Fortnite, but I know a new season came out, I think.
No, how did I fall?
Personally, I think Fortnite is my least favorite game.
Yeah, I really don't like it. Oh no, 30 seconds left. Who is gonna be the highest?
I hope you fall.
Yeah, if you die, then it's game over.
Whoever wins this gets eight. Oh,
I fell.
whoever wins this gets 8,000 Robux. Just kidding.
Yeah, if I had that.
Same. I bought Robux today and I spent them all on this hot dog soup. And now I have 70. I only bought the $4 because my mom was
I
going to
keep
spend.
falling for some reason. And you won. Congratulations.
Really? 8,000 Robux.
Yep, 8,000 imaginary Robux.
Oh wow, thank you. I'm gonna buy a Dominus. And a Valkyrie? Oh wait,
You
I
can't
don't know.
buy that with 8,000.
I said 8,000, but like I can buy
We'll
Dominus.
just switch it to 8 million.
We'll just round it to 8 quadrillion.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Alright, well.
Oh look, I'm the highest in the server.
Oh god, you are. Oh, how'd you get up there?
I'm a hacker.
I'm pretty sure you are, because I just saw you on the ground.
Yep, I have.
Everyone report this man for hacking. Just kidding, don't report him. He'll be mad if he gets banned again. He already got banned in
Oh my gosh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Come back
Subscribe
here,
to
hot dog man.
Robocon X and
Hot
Orange
dog man,
Orangutan.
come back here. Come down to the ground, hot dog man.
Oh,
Thank you guys so much for watching. Sub to me. Roast this hot dog.
wait, can I say something before you end this video?
Sub to him. Yeah, sure.
Okay, make sure you put the camera right in front of my face. Gotta get a close up.
Okay.
Okay.
Very close up.
So, let me see if this works.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a good close
Also,
up.
make sure you subscribe to Orange Orangutan on YouTube.
Link
watch
in
my
the description.
I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow. I don't know when, but also sub to this man. He looks pretty dang.
Yeah. I'm pretty
You
cool.
deserve more subs.
I
not
can't
gonna
wait
lie.
for you to see the video. You're gonna be
I hate listening to myself when recording. I sound like an idiot.
Yes. I hate hearing myself too. I sound like a child. A little
I
child.
think you do.
Huh?
Whenever I listen to myself, it sounds like my voice is like. Except I don't actually sound like that. But I mean, I kind of in like high-pitched voice. But I mean, that's not something I can control. So
Yep, but thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah.
where'd you go? Wait, hold on. Come back here. I need to do one more thing before this video ends.
Don't
Stand
make
still.
me end the
Okay.
video with the beep.
Stand still. Stand still.
Oh no.
Smack. Did you see that? If you do /e space point. Oops, /e space point. Smack. Hey.
Classy boy. Yep, there we go. And we're gonna
Okay.
end this video with a dancing hot dog. This is my new outro, guys. New outro.
Yeah, actually make this your new outro. This would actually be dope.
This is gonna be the outro for today's video. So, click the video to the left
Insert
and
outro
right of
music.
you, and click the hot dog to subscribe to my channel, I guess.